Hey guys, so I just wanted to record for you what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag this month, which is the month of April. So I got this a couple weeks ago. I just haven't had a moment. I've been doing a lot more working from home, which means I've been doing a lot more writing. So what that means is I haven't even gotten to actually try any of these out. I haven't gotten to swatch anything. I like the vast majority of the products they sent me. I've taken them all out of the bag so that I can show them to you and it can be a quicker process. So if you like a quick and easy unbagging of Ipsy stuff, go ahead and like this video so I know. Subscribe, leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for how I could do this differently. But I want to keep it quick for you. So I'm first going to show you the cute little bag. This is the bag they sent. It looks kind of pinky there, but to me it looks a little purpley. And it has this cute little zipper and the little Ipsy on the inside. Very cute. I got 5 products as I usually do, and I'll go ahead and I'll just start from top down on the card that they gave me. So the first thing that they have here is the Oryza, O-R-Y-Z-A, Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow Palette. It's a travel size palette, has 4 shades. Let's see, you can apply them with your finger or brush, wet or dry, and get different color payoffs. So this is the packaging. There you go. I saw a thing, I think I've mentioned this, where it doesn't have a real hinge on it. It's just plastic. And you can see that there's no mirror, which I don't care if there's a mirror or not. But the shadows seem to be leaving like a little bit of residue in the lid, which I don't know what that means. All right, I'm gonna swatch them really quick for you. I'll move on to the next thing. Let's see, 1, 2. They are very creamy. I want to give you like the best possible look at these. Okay, so this is what they look like. There you go. So there's 1 matte shade and then 3 shimmer shades. Looks good though. There you've got good color payoff. Let's see if I can get it to show up a little bit better. Here we go. Very shimmery, beautiful, looks good to me. I'll try them out on my eyes. They're the kind of colors that would be really flattering for me, so I think they'll be a good one. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the swatch on here. I have a couple other things to swatch. So the next product is the Luxie 209 Large Shader Summer Days Tan Brush. Wow, that is like a lot of information. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the full size of this is $19.95. Which I guess for 4 full-size shadows, that would be quite good. I'm pulling out some makeup wipes so I can at least wipe my fingers off. I think that'd be, you know, pretty good for 4 shades, 20 bucks, so $5 an eyeshadow, not bad. Especially if it's considered like a luxury brand. All right, so the Large Shader Brush by Luxie, the 209 brush, it's full size, which I'm pretty sure this is the full size, is $12. It says it's perfect for packing on spring break. Spring break, oh my gosh. Sorry. Use it wet for a sheer wash of color or dry to intensify pigments. That's weird because typically I would wet a brush to use it to intensify the pigment. It doesn't matter. Works with cream, powder, and liquid. Let's see, sunset inspired handle will add so much life to your vanity. Dampen the bristles before dipping it into your shadow to intensify the pigments. I'm confused. Anyway, this is what the brush looks like. Sunset inspired handle. Whoa, ooh, that's a game changer. Very soft. It's a flatter brush, wide, pinched ferrule. It feels very soft. It feels like there's a lot of very fine bristles. So I think it could actually do a pretty good job. Easy way to tell you. Let's go ahead and we'll get the darkest shade. Pack it right on the brush. and then I'm going to, right there, okay. Huh, so it looks good. I'm sure if I used it to buff that in, you're gonna get a better, yeah. That worked. Ooh, look at that. You get a totally different kind of finish on it when you do it that way. Okay, so let's see, next one. I like it so far. That's a good one. Honestly, $10 for this thing, and or what is it? Is it $10 or is it $12.99 now? But this is a $12 brush, so essentially it just paid for itself. The Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel, Winter's Behind Us, blah, blah, blah. So it basically says this is, the full size is worth $60, but this is a very small amount. Let's see if it has the amount on here. 0.25 fluid ounces. It came in this box, so it wouldn't fit in there. They had to put it separate in the packaging, but this is what was in the box. So to me, I feel like they probably could have done a better job of packaging as far as that, to make it a little more friendly for that. Okay, this is what the product looks like. It has kind of a botanical scent to it. I am going to apply it onto the back of my other hand. These water creams, I don't know. I have skincare that I like. I've reviewed and said I don't want skincare. I've redone my profile and said I don't really want skincare. Okay. So it feels moisturizing, but it feels light. The smell is not bad. Let's see if they have any ingredients listed on here. Does it have fragrance? Yes, it does have fragrance. So Murad's supposed to be a company that's, you know, really cares about your skin. I feel like if they're adding fragrance to their stuff, it's just not a good idea. All right, we're taking too long. We're 7 minutes in already. Space Case Scene from Space Highlighter in 1A. So highlighters, we have talked time and time again about those. We have, this is the packaging it came in. I love their packaging is really cute, and it's appropriate. It's appropriate for the size of the product. This seems like a full-size highlight to me. All right, let's take the lid off, and then we can see what it looks like. It's quite shimmery. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this next to the other ones. Right there. Okay. Ooh, that is a golden highlight. Very golden, very deep. I just don't know if it'll, let's just put a little bit right here. If it's too deep for me. Whoa. Lens flare. Almost been that highlight. I mean, it's giving me a lot of color payoff. I just don't know if the gold is too much for my skin tone. Either way, I could always incorporate it as an eyeshadow. That typically works pretty well for me. So I do like it. I like this brand. I have a blush that they sent me from Ipsy from Space Case that I love, and I use it constantly. It is one of my favorites. Actually, it might even be in here. Probably somewhere. Whatever. I have a lot of makeup. I think we know that by now. All right, so that is $9 for the full size, which I think is excellent. And actually, is this the full size? The full size is 3.5 grams. Okay, this is not. This is 2.5 grams. So this isn't even a full size, but it's quite large. I just feel like that would last forever. All right, the last one is the Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfecto, so Perfect Eyes Gel Pencil Eyeliner in black. Long lasting, doesn't even bring in, oh, it is waterproof gel eyeliner, but it's a traditional eyeliner, cry proof, humidity proof, sweat proof, you name it. Opaque black color. Let's see, for a quick smoky eye, rim your eyes and then smudge it with a fluffy shadow brush. Full size is $16, and this is a full size. So, I mean, this appears to be a full size. If they make one bigger than this, that'd be nuts. All right, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just do it right here. Whoa. Okay, that is definitely black. That is definitely black. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. I do have a cup of water here. Here, let's turn it to the right one. A cup of water here. So as soon as it is done setting down, it's gonna take a little while. It's very, very creamy. So I just tapped it and it came off on my finger. So I'm gonna let it sit for a second. see if it actually sets, and if it sets, that's good. All right, let's talk about, while I'm waiting for that, let's just say I still love Ipsy. I still think they're doing a great job. And then also the last thing, I got like an add-on this time around, and it was really cool because I'd never done that before, and it was really inexpensive. It was just a few dollars, and I was able to get this guy, the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. It is beautiful. I love the colors. As you can see, I have already used some of them, and that is what I'm wearing today, is the Emerald Obsessions palette. Boom, boom, boom. Anyway, I think this is a great palette. It is small, but the shadows inside it are pretty sizable. Good color payoff. They seem to be lasting very well. I don't see them fading or anything like that throughout the day. I did my makeup just a little while ago, and I really enjoyed doing my makeup. Everything blended very nicely. I think everybody's used these palettes except for me. This is my first one. I did order some knockoffs from Wish a while back, and they just weren't very good. I'm gonna be honest with you. They just weren't. All right, let's check on this. Oh, so do I feel like this is a great value? Yes. If you look at the fact that I got a full-size brush and a full-size eyeliner that would then cost double what the one bag cost, and 3 more products to try, why wouldn't I keep doing this? They're doing a great job. And before, I think I told you, I'm gonna try and get these donated to somewhere where they can make little, like, first-time go bags for girls that are starting their menstruation. So I think that's a really cool thing to do with them, because what else are you gonna do with 12 of those little bags a year? I don't know. All right, let's check this out. Is this dry? Okay. So it doesn't seem to be smudging. No, not really. Okay, now I'm gonna dip my hand in this water. I have a wet hand here. Okay. Whoa, that looks awesome. All right, that looks good to me. Now let's see how easily it comes off with a makeup wipe. Okay, I just rubbed everything else off, and that's still kind of on there. It's taking some work. All right, well, we're done. We're done there. All right, so after really scrubbing on this, I was able to get it to come off, but it was very resistant. So I think this would be a really good pencil to use to, like, line your waterline, tight line area, that kind of thing. I think you could get a lot of really great use out of it. I love doing these unbaggings, unboxings. I love doing them for you, and I'm sorry I have like a ton of stuff behind me because I am here at home. I've been working, and I pretty much get up, get ready for the day, and then I come in here and I'm here like almost all day. So much so that I have brought my dog in here. She's down here. She's sleeping, just hanging out with me. But I could try and make it more concise for you guys next time. I enjoyed making this video for you. I hope that you enjoyed me showing you the things that I got and swatching them for you. And I hope that you have a great day and that you guys are staying safe and healthy. Have a good one.